Buddha Jayanti 2024 marks the 2568th anniversary of the birth, enlightenment, and parinirvana of Lord Buddha, a momentous occasion celebrated with deep reverence and joy by millions around the world. This year, the festivities will take on a special grandeur at the iconic Bouddhanath Stupa in Kathmandu, Nepal, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and one of the most sacred Buddhist sites globally. The celebration will begin with a grand rally starting from the Sherpa Kendra, a cultural and community center dedicated to preserving and promoting Sherpa heritage and Buddhist teachings. The rally will wind its way through the vibrant streets, creating a tapestry of color and devotion as it heads towards Chaba Hill, a site of significant religious importance. Participants will carry banners, chant mantras, and play traditional musical instruments, creating an atmosphere of spiritual upliftment and community spirit. The journey to Kutubahole and back to Sherpa Kendra symbolizes a pilgrimage, reflecting the inner journey towards enlightenment that Buddha himself undertook. Upon returning to Sherpa Kendra, the celebrations will continue with various religious ceremonies, including the lighting of butter lamps, offering of prayers. This year's Buddha Jayanti at Bouddhanath Stupa, enhanced by the dynamic rally, promises to be an unforgettable experience, weaving together devotion, cultural heritage, and the timeless teachings of the Buddha. It is an opportunity for all to immerse themselves in the profound legacy of the Buddha, fostering a sense of unity and spiritual awakening.